The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. And I'm going to tell you from right now, viewers and subscribers, that at least two of these videos might be shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a man cry because his motor vehicle got damaged as a result of a multi-vehicle accident. Yeah, the person's motor vehicle was involved in a multi-vehicle accident. His motor vehicle, along with other motor vehicles, got damaged because of an accident, my people. See? And in the video, the man shows certain emotion. And he was somewhat yelling while crying because his motor vehicle got damaged. Viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that some persons on social media found the video to be funny, and some persons on social media talk about the man who cried because his motor vehicle got damaged. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. The video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I just do not know exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video had been recorded. Alright? Now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me. Just so the man, just wait. Just so. Jesus Christ!
Every day.
My people, I tell you the truth, I don't know how to feel about that video then. And I real, because you see, a man might not know how hard someone work for what them have, So I say, yeah, people might not know how hard a person work for what them have. You see me? So if something happen to whatsoever the person work for and the person show certain emotion, whether the person want to cry or so forth, you see me? In my point of view, I think it is something that each and everyone should have some form of compassion. You understand? But at the same time, you have to give thanks for life. You see it? Sometimes we have to look on life in a way where them say sometimes, you see me? Because all the time we look on life in this way, right? Once you have life, you can buy back something. And a real, those motor vehicles have been somewhat damaged. You see me? I say, but in my point of view, I think them can fix. Them can repair. Yeah, I think they can repair. You see me? I say, I don't think they gone so bad. You understand? But at the same time, the emotion of the man show, it really and truly cause a lot of persons to talk about him on social media. You see me? I say, see? Yeah, me give thanks for life, man. Life over vanity. Straight up and down. Life over vanity. You see me? I say, once you're alive, you can fix the car, you can buy another one. You see me? I know some money come hard for some people. Yeah, because you have people who are rich out there. But money come hard for some. I may understand that. But give thanks for life. You understand? I didn't get any confirmed information if anyone got injured or any fatality as a result of the incident, you see me? But if no one didn't die and if no one got injured, just give thanks for life. As some may look upon it, you see me? I say, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show when a man lift up 5 buckets of liquid, allegedly said to be water, in each bucket. You understand? And the man also used his teeth in order to lift up one of those buckets filled with the liquid allegedly said to be water. You understand, people? But the thing about it is now, viewers and subscribers, you see? The video might be surprising to some of you, my viewers and subscribers, because of the way how the man lift up all of those buckets with the water, you see me I say? And I want to say this to each and everyone, please do not try this at home. Please do not try this at home. It's dangerous. Think about it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't try it at home. Alright? So, the video is being talked about on social media. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, my people. Observe with me. Five, you know, 5 of them, my people. 5. Just notice you have 5 bucket. And then they really look like a water. Look. Gotcha. 2 now and 2 now and where the next one I go? Where the next one I go? Where the next one I go? Gotcha. Keys and keys. Keys. Are some superhuman strength thing that my people. Nah, man. Moon encourage nobody to do that, you know. But I guess that some people have some abilities where them can do certain things, my people. And some me look for life. My teeth nudge when I look at the video. I tell you straight up and my people. The first time I see the video is like I feel my teeth nudge, like a shockwave, just and the ears feel no, sir. That not normal, my people. The imagination cramp me to the point that it just feel away. Moon encourage nobody to do that. Me not do that. What me no want for myself, me no want for somebody else. You see it? Anyways, Intran, big him up. But me still wouldn't encourage anyone to do that. Anyways, next topic. Alright, so I have one more video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, right? Yeah, this video is going to show a man. Now, in this video, the man said some things to a person. I'm not sure who the person was exactly talking to, but the man said some things that have me thinking. I'm gonna like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what I think about the things that this man said. As I say, yeah, some persons might see this man's appearance and they might say, oh, he's a homeless man or he's a madman, that. But you might be surprised to know that the person who you think homeless and mad have whole heap of sense. Yes, I say. So tell me what you think about the things that this person said. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
So whenever what kind of plate in favor for it?
DC plate. DC plate. You can't drive it. You cannot drive it without plate. A DC plate you put on it.
What does DC plate mean?
Listen.
Alright, you see the person who own the person who own the car mat. He man alone can drive it with a certain plate on it.
Oh.
You hear me tell you?
Yeah.
Right, you have a next plate again with them mark L something there. Right? And anytime you sell a vehicle, you take it off.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Listening up, people.
Suppose they send them like 200 vehicles. Japan send them 200 vehicles. They send them 200 plates. 200 different plates. Now, sometimes what they do now, if they send them 200 vehicles, they send them 201 vehicle. Now you see the other one vehicle and the man who own the car mat alone for drive it.
Oh. Yeah, here?
None of the workers not supposed to drive it.
You hear what you say?
Anyway, I do some words. We chat little more here.
Yeah.
My people, let me tell you something, you see? Me no own car mat, me no know how it go when it comes down to certain shippings. You understand? But that man they say some things me have to say, but wait, I wonder if you really and truly know him I say. You understand? So you see, to me is not Mr. Know It All. May I ask you, my viewers and subscribers, what you think about the things that that man said? You see me? If any of you have any experience when it comes down to the things that the man said a while ago, let me know. Tell me. Cause on a real, whosoever in the background of the video, listen what the man said. You understand? And to me, the things that man said could be logical. I have some other left. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla, tin.